Good morning, everyone. This is Philip Gross with the Motor Masters. It's Thursday, December 7th, 2023. Ironically, it's the anniversary of Pearl Harbor for you history buffs. Down here in West Palm Beach, Florida, and wanted to give you an overview of what we did for my customer's 1988 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Switch on over here and Wagoneer here. So here it is. This is Dover Gray. This is actually one that we did at our Hendersonville, North Carolina location approximately 10 years ago. This used to be Burgundy, and we changed it to Dover Gray, and our customer moved down to Miami within the last year. He's originally from New York and wanted to get out of there and come to the beautiful sunny South Florida weather, the warm weather that we have year round. So he had some issues with the paint and body work that needed to be addressed over the years. So I'm going to do a little walk around over here. We repainted the whole entire hood and the cowl, and basically what we did is we painted from here up. We did not go down, we just kept from here up. So we basically just did all that right there. Did a little bit on the roof. It was pretty much good. It was basically around the windshield. We ended up replacing the windshield, so it was basically those areas there. So do a complete walk around over here. The rest of the paint was in extremely good shape. So on the back here, we just kind of, again, doing the whole top part of it. Came out really nice. It's a beautiful day down here. It's approximately 68 degrees. I meant to say approximately 70, but we're going to go with 68. That's the official temperature. What a beautiful Jeep. Beautiful color. So I'm going to go on the inside here, over the interior, set it all cleaned up. We ended up putting a new Kenwood Stereo. That's it right there. Cargo area, so forth. So I'm going to lift the hood here. We put in a new fuel pump and carb rebuild kit. It's got a Holley carb. Obviously you can't see it, but it's under there. And we also replaced the heater core because there were some leaks, and we fixed some leaks in there. And as I mentioned before, we replaced the windshield. So I'm gonna start the car up. Starts right up. Could maybe use a starter. There's a little bit of a delay, but I mean it cranks right up. So I'm gonna let the stereo come on. And with being Christmas time, there's Christmas music. You got it set for Christmas music. Got the windows working. over here. A little sticky here. Do the next one. This one just kind of sticks, so I'm gonna have to pull it up. There we go. Just these rear windows, they don't get used that often, but they do work. So there's the tailgate motor going, window going up and down. So this engine sounds pretty good. It's rock solid. If I'm not mistaken, I believe my customer had it rebuilt up in New Jersey. And worked out where it's got a lot of horsepower, so it runs great, drives good. Beautiful example of a semi-restored Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Again, it's a 1988. So just want to give you an overview of my lake here in the neighborhood. I want to give you this incredible view. Palm trees, sunny South Florida, nothing better. So you all have a great day. If you're looking to restore your Jeep Grand Wagoneer, visit us at www.themotormasters.com. So the word THE, then motor, then masters.com. Our Facebook page is Phil's Wagoneers. And we are also on Instagram, Phil's_Wagoneers on there. Got plenty of albums, videos of restorations. We're also on YouTube at the Motor Masters. So you all have a great day, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.